Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Now in stock is this lovely looking Renault Kadjar midsize SUV, here available in the highly equipped Dynamique nav model, with the exterior painted in a great looking silver metallic, which looks gorgeous on a lovely sunny day such as today. Standout features on this model will include these multi-spoke silver alloy wheels, which really complement the silver metallic paint on the body. All round it's quite nice, and they also look in a good condition too. Additionally, you can enjoy the comforts of automatic headlights and range sensitive wipers, and those lights are xenon with LED daytime running lights. The large front grille is also on offer, with both front and rear fog lights, which are great in poor visibility conditions. For added convenience, electrically operated, heated and even power folding wing mirrors can be found, as well as privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards with keyless entry and start. The boot space is very large and practical, and offers the convenience of folding the rear seats down in a 60-40 split, as well as this part folding boot, which is great to stop items rattling around the boot. You can really split out your shopping and make sure they don't get damaged. Cabin in the rear is finished in two-tone cloth upholstery and offers comfy cabin for up to 3 passengers, with 2 Isofix chat anchor points. Loads of legroom and headroom will be on offer as well, whilst the driver can enjoy a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. It operates the Part Digital instrument cluster up ahead, which will house digital speedometer, traffic sign recognition camera and numerous other functions too. Moving over to the center console, the large infotainment system is also very nice to operate thanks to the large icons. Built-in satellite navigation courtesy of TomTom will make sure you never ever get lost, and even comes with live traffic updates. Additionally, route options can also be operated easily, and various apps can also be used via the R-Link store. Multimedia will house all your radio in the form of AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception, with additional media source inputs allowing you to connect any add-on features such as those displayed on the screen. Pairing your phone is also an incredibly easy affair and will allow you to stay in touch with all your family and friends. Vehicle settings will let you know what's happening in your vehicle at any given moment, and offers numerous driver assist functions with system settings as well. As we move down the cabin, easy to use 2-zone climate control system will keep you cool during the hot summer months and allow you to set the ideal temperature for the cabin. Moving slightly down the cabin, there's also storage for all your devices and private items, and even the convenience of 2 USB ports with an auxiliary input as well. Leather-wrapped manual gear lever is also available too, with 2 large cup holders. RAC Extended Warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.